Hi everyone, Mr.Zaki with you, with my student in level 2 in Mawhiba. We will do test number 3. Okay, now test number 3. I want to read now with the first one, Muhammad al-Ma'mum. Can you read the first question, Muhammad al-Ma'mum?
Yes.
Okay, read please.
The number of squares that must be shaded to make 3/4 of the following figure shaded are 11.
So, what's the answer? You said 11? How do you
Yes.
know? How do you know, Muhammad?
Because, can you give me 1 second? Wait.
Yeah, I give you a pen. Okay, you go ahead. You can use a pen if you want.
I can't use a pen.
No, why? Oh, you can? Okay, don't worry. Okay. Now the number square here. Okay, this I will explain how to find the answer here. Here, the number of a square that must be shaded to make 3/4. So the following figure shaded are. So the number of squares here, how many I have? When I calculate this 4, and in the column, we have also 6. So how many squares I have? 4 times 6 equals what? 24 squares, right? I have
Yes.
24 squares. Now only you multiply by 3/4. So what I need? When I multiply by 3/4, how I get the answer? You can simplify with 4 and also 24. Divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So I need 18 square. I need shaded 18 square. Now, what is the left? What is the remainder? When I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I have 7 square that shaded before. So 18 minus 7 equals how many square will be left? How many?
11.
11, correct.
Sir?
So the answer is
11. Mister?
11, correct. Do you understand, Mamum?
Yes. Mr. Zaki?
Right, good job.
Mister?
Okay, now, yeah, what do you want?
How did you get the 7?
Because here, look here, green, yeah, this buoyant. Look here, the error. When you calculate the square here, that is shaded before. Now we want the 3/4 from the squares that will be shaded. Before this square are shaded before. So what I need, how many square I need to put 3/4?
Oh,
You
okay,
see?
thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, now we will go to question number 2 with Zainab Ismail. Are you here? Can you hear me, Zainab Ismail?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I want to read the questions. Also, explain, please, if you can.
A cubic container, its volume 8m cubed. If we double the length of its side, then its volume equals.
Yes. What do you think? If you want to help you,
I think.
yeah. This cube, you know cube? This cube, you see? This cube, we have the volume of the cube. What is the volume of the cube is given?
8m cubed.
Is 8, right? 8m square, m cube, sorry. So if we double the length, Now, first we find the first length. What is the length here for the cube in the first one? What do you think?
Is it
Okay, yeah, can you tell me?
2m?
It is what?
2m?
Yes, right, 2m. The length in the first cube is 2. How do you find? How do you find the Zainab Smile 2? How do you know? The length of its edge is 2m. How? Do you know?
By its edges.
Yeah, because how I find volume? Can you tell me how I find volume for the cube?
It's given to us.
Yeah, I know it's given, but now if give me the length is 5. So I want to find the volume of this new one. Not belong the questions. This from outside, from mind. So if the length is 5, how I find the volume of the cube? Do you know?
I'm not sure how to do it.
Yeah, maybe anybody tell me how do you know the volume of cube? If anybody have any idea how to find volume of a cube? Oh, sorry, that the volume of the cube is what? Is L cube. You repeat it 3 times. You multiply the length in 3 times to find the volume of the cube. You don't know? Then we write it here 5 cube. 5 cube, you repeat it 3 times. 5 times 5 times 5 equals what? 125. This is the volume of a cube. Did you take it in your school, my student?
No.
No, I did. No.
Yes, you did. Yeah, I think you, I think, no.
We
I am
actually
sure.
did it grade 7.
I
Yeah.
didn't.
You didn't. Okay, no problem. Now the volume is A, so the length is 2. Why? Because when I want to find the volume, 2 times 2, you repeat it 3 times, you get the same volume. That's 8. Okay? Now we find the first length is 2. Then what's the question said? If we double the length of the side. No, so what is the new length, Zainab Ismail? What is the new length? If the double. What do you think?
4m.
Right, 4m, correct. Because he asked if we double the length of its side.
I think
so
I know the
4m.
answer.
Then its volume. What is it volume for the new one?
Can I say?
4 times 4 times 4.
Right, correct. 4 cube. So 4 times 4 times 4. So the answer is what?
64 m cubed.
Yes, 64 meters cube. Do you know now everything? Do you want to explain again? Is it clear, Zahra?
Yes.
Right. Is it clear, Zainab? Fatima Sayyid Nasser, is it clear? How to find the volume? Yeah, that's fine. If I have a cube, also if I have here, maybe another different side, if I have a 3 here and 5 and here, oh, sorry, 4 and 5 here. How I find a volume of this? There's not a cube. So how I find, can you read? Do you know how I find the volume here?
I think we're gonna 3 is gonna be like 3 times 4 and times 5.
Right, correct. You multiply it 3 together, then you get a 20 times 5. Oh, sorry, 12 times 5 is 60, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you have the same length, you multiply 3 times. If different, also the same idea. So the answer is 64. Thank you, Zainab, Smile, for help me. Okay, now we will go to number. Okay, I'm sorry. Look, wait me. We will go to number. Oh, sorry, here. Number now with Fatima Sayyid Nasser. Are you here, Fatima Sayyid Nasser?
Yes.
Yes, can you read please number 3? And I want to give me any idea to solve this problem, if you have. If you don't have any idea, I help you, don't worry. Okay, go ahead.
A water kettle takes 2.25 liters and the glass of tea takes 0.3 liters. Then how many full glasses can be prepared at a time?
Yes. So what I will do here, Fatima, Sayyid Nasser, Fatima. Can you hear me, Fatima?
Yes.
Yes, do you have any idea?
No.
Okay, I help you. I want to discuss with you to find the answer. That's fine. Okay, here, read please, and I want to help me to read the questions, please, slowly. Okay. Okay, now read.
A water kettle takes 2.25 liters.
Right. Yes. 2.25. This I have a water kettle 2.25. Correct. And
A glass of tea takes 0.3 liters.
right. 0.03. Right. Correct. Then
How many full glasses can be prepared at a time?
right. Correct. Only you divided. You divided 2.25.3. So that's the same. If I have a water kettle takes 12 liters, then we have many classes, maybe 4. That's put it 4. Then you divide it. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 classes I need. Here, how many classes can be prepared at a time? Only you divide. So how I divide this? How? Because I have decimal here. You see, I have decimal here. Look, I have decimal number. Did you take in school how to define the answer when you divided decimal numbers? What I will do? The first step, you must cancel this decimal. You multiply by 10 and here by 10. Then you get 0.3 times 10 is what? Is it 3, right? And 10 times 2.25, you move decimal, and you move decimal to right. Only that's the same number of 0. Because I have here 1 0, so decimal move to the right 1 time. 22.5. Now we remove now the decimal here, right? Then we divide it. 22.5 divided by 3, that's approximate How many? Approximate maybe 21 divided by 3. So the answer is what?
7.
7, correct. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Yes. Yeah, thank you, Fatima Sayyid
Sir, I
Nasser.
don't understand.
You don't understand? Okay, I explain again. Okay, now do you know why we divided 2.25 divided 0.3? Who asked me here? Arif?
No, Zahra.
Zahra al-Musharraf.
Yes.
Here I have 2.25 liters. We want to skip the water or in classes. He asked me how many full classes can be prepared at a time. So only you divide 2.25 divided by 0.3, right?
Yes.
So how I solve this problem? First time you must to cancel decimal.
So you time by 10?
What?
You time by 10?
Yes, you time by 10, right? Then in the denominator will be 0.3 times 10 is 3.
And then
Right.
up would be 22.5.
Yes, 22.5, correct. So this approximate how I divide, you approximate. What is the number that you can divisible by 3? I think it is 21, right?
21
Yeah, divided by 3.
is
Then
7.
what's the answer? Is 7.
7.
Right. So the answer is going to be D.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Do you understand? Right.
Yes. Can I answer your question 4?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Question number 4.
Okay. A class has 42 students and the ratio of the passing students to the total is 5/6. Then the number of failing students equals. So what you do is you do 42 students divide by 5/6.
So first, okay, I give you a space to find the correct answer. How? I want to know everything. Yeah, don't give me only the answer. I want how to solve, how to get the answer. Because in exam, no mom, no dad, no teacher with you. So I want to know everything, how to solve the problems. Okay, go ahead, Sahra.
Okay, so first you say 42 divided by 5/6.
Yeah.
Times.
Yeah, we write here 44 divided by what?
5/6 times 5/6. So you do 42 divided by 6, which is 7, and then you times it by 5.
Yeah.
So you get 35, because 42 divided by 6 is 7, and then 7 times 5 is 35. So, and then you say 42 minus 35, which is, I think, 7.
Yeah, 7, right, correct.
So the answer is A7.
Yes, the answer is 7. Okay, I will show you, yes, small ways to our small method to know. Look here, a class has 24 students. Now I have 42 students, right? And the ratio of the passing student to the total. Look here, passing to the total. Total is 6. Then the number of failing student equals. Now, what is the left? What is the remainder here? The remainder will be 1/6. That failing student, 1 to 6. Only you multiply 42 times 1/6, then you get the failing student. You simplify here, but you simplify 6 divided by 6 and divided by 6. 7 times 1 is what? Is 7. So direct I find 7. This the first method. Also, I can another in another method. Then you divide it by all part. here, when I have the ratio, look here, how many bars I have? How many bars? So he said 5 to 6. So the total is 6. 6 bars. You divide it by 6, then we write it 7.
And then we times it
This,
by 5.
yeah, this 7 for each bar. If he asks me about passing student, you multiply 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is 35.
35.
Yeah,
And then you minus 42 from 35, which is 7.
Right. Or what? Or 7 times the 1 bar is 7. That's feeling student. You know? Is it clear, my student?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. Don't sleep, please. I want to pay attention because the math section, you must be careful to how to solve the problems. Yeah, okay, now we will go to Fatima Zuhair. Fatima Zuhair, where are you? Can you hear me? Fatima Zuhair?
Yes.
Yes, please read number 5, please.
Liam bought a mobile phone via the internet. She paid 2,100 riyals and the buying price was 5% extra for delivery charge. What is the original price of the mobile phone?
What I will do here?
I'm not sure, but maybe we're going to put 5 over 100 as a percent.
Yeah.
And 2,100 over x, so maybe then we're going to do multiplication.
And buying price was 5% extra. Yeah.
Are we going to put like 5 over 100 because it's a percent?
Then what did you get? Can you get the answer? Can you tell me what is the answer from this idea?
I tried to do it, but I didn't get
yeah, you didn't get. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I help you. Don't worry. Who has any idea to solve this problem? Okay, I give you a law that I think it is easy for you. When ask me the original price, look here, the original price equals like this. I give you a law. You write it 2,000, this number here, time 100. Divided what? Divided the percentage. That's percentage. So from percentage, add or minus. When I add, when he asked me about extra, we add. What percentage here? Oh, sorry. We have percentage here, 100%. 100 percentage plus or minus. If he in the questions is given extra, we add. If discount will be minus. So I have here 5, so only because extra, so we add. Don't put minus. When I put minus, when you subtract, if the question is given discount, then put it minus. So now the law will be, or the equation will be divided by 100 plus 5, so 105. Then you get directly the answer. Maybe if there is discount, you subtract. If it is extra, you add. So now, I think it is easy for you now. Okay, can you now we simplify? We simplify now by, can you help me? By 5, if you put 5, 21, and here by 5 is 20, right? Also by 21 is 1 and 21 is 100. Then you multiply 100 times 2, it is what? 2000. Directly I find the answer. The answer is B. Do you understand, my student?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine.
I got
Now
it wrong because of a different way I did it.
Yeah, that's fine. Any different way, I want to find the answer. Okay, now we finish this video. Now, thank you very much and have a nice time. Best regard with Mr. Zaki. Thank you. Bye-bye.